Boom, 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 a little darker, broken, doesn't matter. Listen, the idea is you don't want to go off the edge of the stencil because you don't want any of these straight lines. We have an organic look here. We do not want to see any straight lines. There are no straight lines in nature. So they say. Uh-oh. There we go. Is that looking amazing? Look, I just did this section in literally 5 minutes, and now, let me see, I'm going to mix it up here a little bit. I'm going to go back to my medium stencil, has all of these elements on here. Now, I can place this, say, here, and I might get this one that I want to do, and this one, and this one, and I only have to move the stencil once. So I'm going to do that. Show you how easy and simple this is. I like this one. Very wispy. I like this one. And let's do this one. And there you go. You just did 3. Got it happening. Why don't I go back to a little bit of my elm leaves? I love this. I love these colors, by the way. I really, really like this rock gray. It's such a beautiful color. So let me see. I'll pop that right there. Now, I don't have my crown molding mask, but when I get up to that level, I'll just mask that and bend the stencil around it. It's that easy. And you know, mistakes, if there's something you really don't like, you pull out your Navajo white, you paint that area, and you just do it again. Is it a big deal? It's not a big deal.